In this video, you are going to explore how you can install a WordPress theme using 4 different methods. Let's get started. The first method, installing the theme directly from the WordPress dashboard. And to do that, you simply go to Appearance and then click on Themes. From here, you can see there are so many themes available to be installed directly from the dashboard here. You simply have to click here, Add New Theme, and then you can search for the theme from this area. Let's search for Flux, for example. So once the theme appears, you just hover over it and then install it. As simple as that. This is the simplest way so far among the methods that we are going to explore from this tutorial. Once a theme has been installed, the next thing to do is to activate the theme. So we see the activate button here. Click on that. And once you activate it, it takes over and becomes the current theme of the WordPress website. So that was the first method. The second method of installing a theme is by uploading the zipped file of the theme to the website. Now, how do you do that? You simply click on Upload from the Themes area, and then here you'll be able to upload a new theme by dragging and dropping it here, or by clicking on the Browse, and you'll be able to select the theme from your PC. So let's drag one theme and drop it at this section to have it installed. So let's say I want to use Astra. I drag it here, then I can install it. And once the installation is through, the next thing to do is just to activate it, which we are waiting to do after the installation becomes successful. And you notice that it is only zip formats that are accepted here. So if you install a folder, just a folder, you can't even select that. It's only the zip format that you can install by this method. So we see it has been successfully installed. And if we want this to be the current theme, then we go to Activate and get it working. So you can see it here that the active theme of the website is the one we just installed, Astra. The third way of installing a WordPress theme is by using File Manager, either from cPanel or any other control panel there is. So how do we use File Manager to upload a theme? I'm going to use one here. So I'm on my dashboard, my control panel here. I'm using cPanel, and here I'm going to search for File Manager, and here it is. So what you have to do here is to navigate to exactly where the themes folder is located. So in some cPanels, you see public HTML, or you can see this www. Click on that, then you navigate to WP content, and then to themes. So here are the available themes, and you can see the first and the second are the ones that we installed from the previous methods. So how do you install a theme using this method? Simply go to Upload from above here, click on that, and you can either drop the file here or click to select it. So we are going to drop it. Let's test a different one like GeneratePress. And you can see the theme being uploaded here. And it has been fully uploaded. So if we go to where our themes are, and now we refresh this page, we have to see the theme which we just uploaded also here. So let's reload it, and that's the one that we can see here, GeneratePress zip file. Now we installed a zip file, so we have to extract it first. So right click and go to Extract. Proceed to extract files, and that is done. It has been fully extracted now. Let's reload the page once again, and we can see GeneratePress available here. So let's now get rid of the zip file. Delete. Now this method doesn't automatically activate the theme for us. So to activate a theme that has been uploaded using this method, we have to go back to the dashboard and do it there. So let's refresh this place. And the theme that we just uploaded was GeneratePress. So now we can activate it to make it the current theme of the website. That is our third method. Our fourth method of uploading or installing a WordPress theme is by using File Transfer Protocol. So let's see how we can do that using FTP. Here you have to enter your details, your credentials for logging in into the FTP client. I'm using FileZilla as my FTP client. With the host, I have my IP address because I'm using SFTP, and this is how that one works. Username, and then the port for SFTP is usually 22, and then I hit quick connect. So this is going to establish a connection with my server or my website so that I'll be able to navigate to the location of the WordPress themes folder and then upload my theme. So here it is located at the public HTML. After that, you go to WP content, the same way we did for the previous one. Then you go to themes, and we can see some themes available here. This is a different website. That is why we are seeing different themes here. So I'm going to upload one theme. And here I'm going to upload not a zipped folder, but one that I have already extracted. If your theme is not extracted, it's not already extracted, you can extract it here by right-clicking and extracting everything. We can see from here that our theme has been successfully extracted. So it is ready for us to now upload it. We can simply drag and drop it into the themes folder and wait for it to fully upload all these files. And we can see that that theme that we just uploaded is located here. So we are just waiting for all the files to be fully uploaded. So you realize that the first approach that we used, which involved just searching from the WordPress repository on the dashboard and installing directly the theme, is the easiest method available. All of the remaining methods are equally fine, especially when you have a premium theme that you want to install, because premium themes are not located on the WordPress repository where you can directly install. So this becomes so important in such instances where you want to install a premium theme. So let's now see the dashboard of the current website that we are uploading this theme to using FTP client. So this is that website. When you go to appearance and go to themes, we should be able to identify or find this theme available there. And yes, that is the one available here, as you can see. These are basically 4 different methods of uploading or installing and activating WordPress themes. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like it so that it becomes discoverable by other people. See you in the next video.